Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you tired of mascaras that leave your lashes feeling dry and brittle? Well, you might want to stick around for this one. Today, we're taking a closer look at Neutrogena Hydro Boost Waterproof Plumping Mascara. It promises not just to define and plump your lashes, but to hydrate them too. If you're someone who's struggled with mascaras that leave your lashes stiff or flaky, this could be the game changer you've been searching for. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future reviews. Let's get into it. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Waterproof Plumping Mascara is all about giving your lashes that bold, defined look while keeping them nourished. This 0.21 ounce tube is packed with ingredients that work to hydrate, strengthen, and plump your lashes. The key ingredients here are hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and keratin. Hyaluronic acid is famous for its ability to hydrate, while vitamin E offers antioxidant properties to keep your lashes looking healthy. Keratin is known to help strengthen the hair, making your lashes look fuller and more defined. When you apply this mascara, you'll notice the formula is smooth and coating every lash evenly. Its waterproof formula ensures that it stays put all day long without smudging or flaking, even if you're having one of those tearful moments or enduring a rainy day. Plus, it's ophthalmologist tested, so it's safe for contact lens wearers and those with sensitive eyes. I've been using this mascara for the past few weeks now, and it's been a real treat for my lashes. It's super easy to apply, and the brush is designed to define every single lash, giving them a nice lift without clumping. I've noticed my lashes look fuller, more voluminous, and glossy, but without feeling stiff or uncomfortable. The hydration aspect really sets it apart from other mascaras. It feels like I'm actually taking care of my lashes while adding that dramatic volume we all crave. Of course, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the waterproof formula is great for keeping your lashes intact throughout the day, it can be a bit tricky to remove. I recommend using Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes, as they make the job much easier without causing any irritation. In terms of value for money, this mascara is priced competitively, especially given the added benefits of hydration and lash strengthening. For those who struggle with dry, brittle lashes, the combination of ingredients here, like hyaluronic acid and keratin, makes it a worthwhile investment. If you're in the market for something similar but more budget-friendly, there are a few mascaras out there that also focus on lash hydration and volume. For example, L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise is a popular alternative that gives a dramatic effect, though it doesn't have the hydrating benefits of this one. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is sleek and sturdy. The wand is just the right size for precision, and the formula doesn't dry out quickly, which is always a good sign when it comes to mascaras. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this mascara, the link is in the comments. Now, let's talk about customer support. While I haven't had to interact with Neutrogena's customer service directly, I've heard positive feedback about their responsiveness and helpfulness, which is always a good thing when dealing with any brand. To wrap it up, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Waterproof Plumping Mascara does exactly what it claims. It hydrates, defines, and volumizes without causing your lashes to feel crunchy or dry. If you're looking for a mascara that cares for your lashes while giving you that full, dramatic look, this one is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you next time on Beautyistic.